All right, now we're going to take a look at Sydney from Monday, and Tuesday. So let's see what we had here. Reasons to trade. There were some good trades to be had Monday and Tuesday. I did a few of them on paper, and I'm starting to get confident with what I need to look for. So what do we have? Fix my indicator. So I should have a fib 3, which is the PM session fib, telling us where we are in premium and discount. Okay, here we go. So I said we started in super premium, and I was looking to take a short immediately, and that was not a good idea. I need some kind of confirmation. Why does this look wrong? That's why it looks wrong, because it does that. Gosh darn it, it's still wrong. I have to fix that. Whatever. I'll find a way. Okay. Wait, that's not right either. This is backwards. Do I have to fix this again? Oh, gosh darn it. Alright, whatever. We'll figure it out. Fib 3. First thing I did was make this candle. Let's say it wicked down and up. Fib 1. Bearish order block. Ah, you're inside the bearish order block. That's why. Gotcha. Oh, this was Monday. Okay, fine. I think Sunday was what I was thinking this was Sunday. Very well. Reason why previous week's high, sweep that, wait for the confirmation, and then you melt. And that's easy. Take that to the gap. It's back. Take that to the 786 maybe. This is prime OTE for an upside move. Do you get the upside move? I don't think so. You struggle at the gap after printing through it, and then you just melt. Alright, let's see what happens during your macro. 9 p.m. Okay. Now, what happens during the macro at 6:50? What do you turn that into? If you want to see this go further up, you have to, but instead, it actually sweeps up. So you expect this to come back down. And it's, oh, yeah. Okay. There you go. You take that down to this one. Honestly, you could just scalp that and call it a day. Not really, because it's only 28 points. Which means that with this weak rejection, you're probably not doing anything. I mean, you could probably if you take it from consequent encroachment, you could squeeze. It's not worth it though. I mean, I probably would have tried. I would have gotten out maybe somewhere around the time it got to here. So maybe I scalp that then. Because it's rejecting the 50%. Oh, there you go. Now it's going to come back down. All right. There you go. That's how you trade. I like it. So consequent encroachment, you can get 40 points out of that. Take it to your order block if you just sit through. It didn't make higher highs. I would have trailed it though. So luckily I wouldn't have been stopped out during the macro time. Okay. I think I'm just going to start trading these macro times, honestly. That's respectable. Until I understand other market structure better, I can make a whole living out of trading these macro times. 650, 750. I just have to read them properly. I think I have enough. Alright, we've got ourselves a macro open. Come down into the order block, probably. And then rocket ship. Okay, and that's what we do. I think I did take this one actually. It's really nice. Alright. 650, 750. Boom. How much do you get out of that? 561. Really? That's it? That's not a rocket ship. Well, is it done is a question. Oh, it is done. Oh, that's sad. Oh, that's very sad. Oh, because that came up here to come down there, which is also interesting. It looked like it was stalling. Maybe you could take the rejection, 585. Oh boy, you can. Yeah, that would be interesting. That would be even more interesting. So, let your macro open. Boom. Sweep. Up. Stall. Rejection. Print down. Couldn't even print past. Print down. Alright, that's how you trade that date. Let's see, what do we have for... I think it was the 23rd we're looking for. 6 p.m. Yesterday. What did I see? I have to fix this. Where is my FIB3? Oh, stop. Okay. Okay. So now this is upside down. Gosh darn it. FIB3. Okay. What is that? I think it's that. I have no idea what that is. Is that an IFVG? That's a breaker block. I'll leave it and see what happens. I don't like it. I should probably shade it. Can I shade it later? ICT V1. Opacity. I'll make it. I'll fix it. In the meantime, let's just see how it operates. Okay, immediate rejection of this, quick rejection of that. What's next candle do? This is your gap, I think. Yeah, this is your gap. The opening gap. Print inside, not really doing anything to the downside, except rejecting this NYAM first presented pretty mightily, which means we're probably gonna, so you're not doing anything yet. How you're thinking about going up, but you think it's not far because you want to sweep this high, or come here. You want to see this reject somewhere around here. Sweep. Is sweep in play? Sweep is in play. You're in. You're in on this one. Why? Because you have the option for a fair value gap, which turns into a breakaway gap. And you don't have that option here. Worst comes to worst, you're in here. But it's going to come down here. And the question is, after you reject this, Sydney, do you pop back up? And you might, but you don't. So the question is, was it worth the risk to reward? If you could get in here, 786. Yes. Maybe. Yes. It's a good trade. And you could be done. Maybe you trail that. And you, whoa, hello. Instead of follies. You're really done there, honestly. I mean, you could be. Alright, I think I'm starting to get good at this. I'm ready to start getting payouts. I'm ready to pass my account. Yes, 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 yes. I'm seeing the Matrix now. Again. Got yourself a Devil's Mark, you're coming back down here. Wait, 650. I don't have my macro times. Let's try this again. Alright. Boom. Okay, so you have your macro open here. Alright. What do you want to see it do? Boom. Grabs this liquidity down here, shoots up there. Is that enough? No, it's not. Yes, it is. But enough for what? To come back down. Yep. Boom. If you do take this from here, you could take this 655. It's a decent scalp. But I would trail it. I put my finger on the rejection button because this can't get past the 50%. Yep, rejects the consequent encroachment. As it does that, in for the short. That's called agility. Rejection, 78. Boom, nice. Time and price, baby, time and price. Time and price. That could go. Yep, it does. Oh, it doesn't? Surprise. You would need to see this print beyond, and there it doesn't, so second rejection, which means it would have lost, should have lost more energy by then. Pinch yourself a few doubles marks. Boom. There you go. Oh, hello. I missed this. I remember I missed this. Oh my gosh. Is there a way to have taken this trade? Because, geez. What do we have here? Okay. Do we have? I mean, I guess we have a bunch of IFEGs. We have this one on top of this one on top of this one on top of this one. Are these BPRs at this point? Those are BPRs. What is this one? This is your huh. BPR rejection. That's your IFEG strategy right there. Just doesn't have your V shape. I see that. This is your OTE plus a... Okay. There was a way to take this trade, but it just happened way too quickly. And I wasn't paying attention. 640. Take that straight to the gap. Okay. Alright, let's see. I think this continued. I have no idea, honestly. Okay. Okay. So what do we have here? This is crowded. But what do we have? We have your macro open time. Do I have an MO? I don't have a macro open. Gosh darn it. Where is my... Okay. My macro comes down into the gap, rejects, comes back up. What's its destination? Maybe Sydney. So look up here. Maybe we can get in here. 736. Oof, that would have gotten me. Boom. That's it. To here. Okay. Let's try that again. What is this? This is your 786. Boom. Rejection. So you're in. 730. 36 is fine. Yeah, take that here. 2 minute. Honestly, I don't think I'd have it to stay in that trade, especially with that. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. But you do have a re-entry opportunity. I would have taken the scalp and then looked, because this is interesting. This is really interesting. What do you come down? 236. You're now 236. 382. 786 on the short term. Rejection of 382 on the intermediate term. And then trail it. I hope you don't get stopped out. Because, man. Okay, not rocket ship, but still, it's a good trade. And then I'd look to get out. Oh, yeah. Trail it. Yeah, I'd be out by then. But it does keep going. Wow. Asia high. Alright. And then you're done. Okay. Interesting.